Hi all, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we will explore ChatGPT and we will see why should we use ChatGPT. So before that, so what is meant by ChatGPT? So every day we are using some chat applications like WhatsApp, Facebook messengers. What we are doing there? So we are just typing messages and sending that, right? We are doing chatting. So in the same way, this is one chatbot. You are chatting with that bot and it is doing task for you, right? So that is the ChatGPT. We can say in simple language, right? So this is trained model called ChatGPT, which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions. Means whatever questions you are giving, so that it is going to answer. So ChatGPT is sibling model of InstructGPT, which is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide detailed response. So this is sibling model of InstructGPT. Right? So and this ChatGPT is launched on 30 November 2022, means just 1 month before it is launched, and it is in the research preview, so it is currently free to use. So you can also try that. So what you have to do, you have to sign up first using your Gmail account and then you can try that. So how to use this? So for example, this is ChatGPT. So here you have to write chat message. So for example, I will give here write Python hello world program. So now then it is giving me hello world Python program. You can copy the code, then it is giving all the detailed explanation, so how to run that program on command line, giving instructions, telling about the functions. Okay, means it is explaining whole code whatever it has written. So this is good tool. So if you are beginner to programming, so you can write code and check the explanation here. So next is chat gpt what is meant by gpt? So gpt is generative pre-trained transformer. So this is a machine learning model. So is a chatbot launched by OpenAI. So OpenAI is one company in USA. So it is built on top of OpenAI GPT 3.5 family of large language models and is fine tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning. So if you have knowledge of machine learning, so these are the two types of machine learning, so supervised and reinforcement. So these two techniques are used here in this chat gpt. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research laboratory. uh, the company conducts research in the field of AI with the stated goal of promoting and developing friendly AI in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. The organization was founded in San Francisco late 2015 by Sam Altman, Elon Musk, and others. So it is research laboratory, and their goal is to develop AI, which will make humans' life better, right? So that is the goal of that company. So now, so we will see ChatGPT from programmers point of view. People are thinking ChatGPT is going to take our jobs, so we will discuss that. So before that, we will see why we should use ChatGPT, or why should programmer use ChatGPT. So we have seen example of hello world program, Python hello world program. So it is giving detailed explanation of that program. So if you have some code and if you want detailed explanation, you can use ChatGPT for that. So if you want to improve existing code, so you can improve that code using ChatGPT, right? So and some naive programmers are there, those are new to the programming. Maybe they don't know the program coding standards or conventions of programming language. So that chat gpt can rewrite that program using that correct styling. For example, here I am writing one program. I will write here one program. So please, so I will type here, please correct the python program. So program with right, sorry, right conventions. So I am giving here, for example, I am giving number is equal to 22, then I am doing number plus 100, and no, I will do it print. So we will see what happen if I give such a program on in chatting. I have given this. So here in Python, so whatever variable names you are giving, so it should be in small case or in snake case. So we will see. And incorrect occurred. If this issue persists, please contact us through our help center at. So what I have given? So I have given one simple Python program. So we will edit this. So how to write that program then? So we will directly copy paste. For example, if I give here number, so otherwise I will give here roll number is equal to 22, print roll number. So we will give this program to chatgpt. Please write this program with coding standards. Exactly, yes. So whatever variable names you are using, so in Python, so it should be in snake case, so it should not be Pascal notation. So it has corrected that. So some people are naive programmers, so they are using any type of case for variable name. So if you are giving such a program here, so you will get the proper program with all coding standard. So this is one use so that we found. So next is rewriting code using idiomatic constructs, very helpful when reviewing and refactoring code written by non-native Python programmers. So if you want to do code refactoring, if you want to do code optimization, so you can use ChatGPT for that. So next is simplifying code. Ask ChatGPT to simplify complex code. The result will be a much more compact version of original code. So we will give here one. So we will give write sorting algorithm using Python language. So it is giving here a simple sorting algorithm in Python It sorts a list of numbers in ascending order. This is sorted algorithm is called bubble sort. It works by repeatedly iterating through the list and swapping. Okay. Can you give me Python simplest program to sort numbers? Oh, it is giving me just sorted function. Sorted function it is giving me. Means if I ask it simple solution, so it has given me directly sorted function in Python. Okay, so in this way you can use chatgpt for such things. Next is writing test cases. So if you want to write test cases, so for example I will give here write test case to test REST API in Python. Let's see what it gives. So it is giving unit test. Means if you are new to the programming and if you don't have knowledge, so you can use the chat GPT. So for example, we are using Stack also, right? So we have some errors and we want some solution. In the same way you can use chat GPT. It is my personal opinion. So it is giving me all the things here. How to write test case. This test case sends a GET request to the API endpoint specified in the URL variable. It is giving you whole explanation of the code also, right? So now, yes, you can write test cases. You can ask help to test functions, and it will write test cases for you. Then is exploring alternative. Alternative. This is great when you want to explore different ways to accomplish the same thing. So we have seen that for sorted. So next is writing documentation. Ask ChatGPT to write documentation for a piece of code, and it usually does a great job. So it even includes usage example as a part of documentation. So we will try this. So we will give here please write documentation for sorting algorithm in Python. So let's see what it gives. Sure, here is an example documentation for sorting algorithm. It is giving code, then it will give yes. It is giving doc string for that function, and it is giving me a function definition also. Is here it has given doc string, so that is good. It's very nice actually. Great. So if you are beginner, it is very good tool for you. So you will understand how to what is the standard way of writing code, how to write doc string, how to write variable names, all the things it is giving. So next is tracking down bugs also. If you have, so you can ask for finding bugs also. For example, we will give some Python code here that will be buggy code. For example, if I give here a is equal to input, I am giving enter a number. This is my buggy code. So and I am doing here t is equal to a plus 100 and print t we build. Okay, so we will give this code to chatgpt. So paste here. uh, Please find bug in this program. The bug is in this program. A is a string, but it is being added to integer value 100. Okay, it is giving all the explanation why that bug is there, what is the bug, and it is giving solution also. Great. Since you can use ChatGPT for finding bugs also. Right? That's very great tool. So in this way you can use for tracking bugs. Then see this chat gpt is in the research currently. They have research phase currently. They have made it free to use, and it is having some flaws, so it is making mistakes, and from those mistakes it is learning, and day by day it will improve itself. So, and I feel, that is my personal opinion, so that this ChatGPT is not going to take programmers' job, but for sure it will help programmers to boost their work productivity. So we have seen examples how it is improving the code. It is giving you alternative ways. So it is creating documentation. So whatever code you are telling, so it is creating that simple snippets or complicated code also it is creating. So it will help programmers, so it will make programmers life simple. So that's it is going to do. So now we will see, before ending this video we will see one more example. For example, I will tell it to write GraphQL API to send user object server to server. Please write GraphQL API to send user object to server. Sure, here is an example. Yes, it is writing mutation for that. So if you have knowledge of GraphQL API, so you will easily understand this. This GraphQL API request contains mutation operation that creates a new user on the server. The create user mutation takes create user input object as an argument which contains the username, email and password. The create user mutation returns the newly created user object which includes ID, name, email. So it is giving you proper all explanation. And to send the request to the server, you can use GraphQL client library like Apollo client or GraphQL request. So it is giving you tools also which you should use. So so in a nutshell, it is really good and helpful for programmers. For sure, it is going to improve programmers productivity. So I don't think so it will take programmers job, so it is going to make programmers life easy. So this is the, now we are at the end of the video. So now if you like the video, and if you watch the video, and if you like the video and channel content, please subscribe to channel. Thank you.